Okay, ma'am.
Yes, I have a reservation under the name of Rhoda Hanapi at Monday, December 10th at 11:30 p.m.
Okay, sweet, ma'am. Sweet, ma'am. Here's your water, ma'am. Here's your menu, ma'am.
Morning, I'd like to start or order with a cucumber juice and grilled salmon with a side salad. Grilled salmon with a side salad.
Okay, ma'am. That's all, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm gonna repeat your order, ma'am. One cucumber juice, one grilled salmon with a side salad. That's all, ma'am.
Yes, that's all.
Here's your order, ma'am. So this is for grilled salmon, your side salad, and the cucumber juice. Enjoy your meal, ma'am.